Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super tasty 3-ingredient fudge. I have 2 1/4 cups of chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips, or you can use semi-sweet or dark chocolate, or you can use a combination of chocolate bars and chocolate chips if you want. And then I have sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, or 396 grams of sweetened condensed milk. And then I have 2 tablespoons of butter, which is right around 30 grams of butter. Now, the butter is optional, so technically you can make this recipe with just 2 ingredients. I'm going to begin by taking the sweetened condensed milk and pouring it in this microwave safe bowl. I will be doing this in the microwave, but you can also do this on a stovetop burner. So if you want to use the stovetop burner, then just pour this sweetened condensed milk into a pot. Again, 2 tablespoons of butter, or about 30 grams. And then into the microwave it goes. I have a 1200 watt microwave, so this is going to take about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, until it gets really, really hot. The butter will melt and it will get all bubbly. So if you're going to do this on the stovetop, you're going to heat it to right around 220 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to take my chocolate chips and just add it right in there. And I'm going to just push these down. And then let's just let this sit for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to just give this a good mix. And then I have an 8x11 dish here. Pour this in here. And I have it lined with parchment paper. We'll just spread it out. And then we just let it sit. You can let it sit at room temperature for a little while, and then just put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about 1 hour to 2 hours until it's firm. And you can make them whatever size that you want. And if the fudge sticks to your knife, just put a little bit of oil on the knife, and that'll really help you to be able to cut it without it sticking too much. You can also run it under hot water, which will help the blade cut through the chocolate fudge as well. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these and show you what it looks like. I'm gonna grab this little square right here. Super good, super creamy. Love it.